are making sound.
Yeah, so we're going to be making soap.
Yeah, and do you know what's on my neck?
Your necklace. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to be making soap.
Yeah.
Can you open it for me?
From the top. No.
From the top.
From the bottom.
From the bottom. So we left the studio because we've got to use the microwave.
Yeah.
So we're in our living room, aren't we?
Yeah, because we left from the side because the side is too freezing.
Right. So you've got a bowl
Yeah.
where we're going to make the soap.
Yeah.
Okay, what else is there? What does that say? That says clear soap.
Clear soap.
It's really heavy. So you've got
A
a
mold.
mould with love hearts.
I love that part.
You've got white soap. Oh, yeah.
Matching.
Got white soap.
Some purple. My favorite
Right,
color.
let's see what this is.
My favorite color.
And we've got mica powder. And you've got purple and green. We've got pretty pink, yellow heaven, and blue breeze, and they're all colours, and we're going to put them in the soaps. Right.
Can you pick that up?
Okay, so Savannah, you ready? Yeah. Right, so it says step 1: squeeze 1 or 2 to 3 drops of colour in each heart mould. So in each one, just pour in 2 drops. So I think you should do blue, yellow, pink.
Blue, pink, yellow.
Okay, be careful.
Blue first.
1 drop. How many have you done?
1.
Okay.
There you
Have
go.
you done 1 drop?
Yeah.
Okay. 2, 3. No more than 3.
Then my mom opened it.
Okay. 2,
1,
1.
2.
No more than 3 because it can affect the soap. Okay. And then do.
I'll do yellow. I want to do
Okay.
it.
Okay. We do it together. 1, 2. Okay. And then here. 1. And then get the pink one. 1. Ah. Okay. 1 more. Here. Yellow 1. And then the blue. Okay.
It makes green.
I know. So we're mixing colours, aren't we?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's do
And then do 1 pink, 1.
1 pink. But we doing 2.
No, 1 pink, 1. That's it. And 1 blue.
1 blue.
Oh.
That just fell into there. Mix purple.
Okay. So that's done, right?
Yeah.
Now let's put that to the side. And let's cover these up.
Yeah. Now.
Okay, 1 second.
Now.
Right. No, you don't need that yet, please. Okay.
Now what do we need?
And so now, in
Yeah.
the instructions, it says next, select your white soap, which is this one,
I'll have it.
and ask, you've got your own chopping board and child knife, which is for children. So you can do this yourself.
Yeah, because I'm 5 years old now.
Okay. So what you need to do
Yeah.
is just, I'll make a line for you where you have to cut, okay?
Okay.
There. So cut that.
I want to cut it myself.
Okay, you cut it yourself.
One.
Be careful with your fingers.
can't do it.
We have to try.
Can you do it with me?
You said you're 5 years old, you big girl. You want some help?
Yeah, so
It's hard, isn't it?
yeah, can you help?
So you need a grown up, don't you?
Yeah. I'm gonna add some food colouring in there.
Okay, let's move that to the side. Now we have to cut this into 4 pieces. So 1,
1,
2, 3. We need a little bit more, don't we?
Yeah.
We'll say that's 4.
Okay, I'll cut that one.
Okay, no, that's fine.
I
That's
don't
just one
cut
whole
it.
piece.
One.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. And then it says, put them in a microwave safe cup or bowl. So, maybe this one. Okay, so I'm going to go put this in the microwave and back in a second. Okay, it says carefully pour the melted white soap in the heart soap mould and mix with the stirrer stick until colour is fully mixed in the soap. So, yeah, right.
It stinks.
Okay, so I think you might need a little spoon.
Have we done?
I think you do. Do this.
Yeah.
It's gonna be quick. Okay, you mix it. I'll pour it.
Okay. I will pour. It's a fun job for kids. For kids.
Okay. Right. So we just put the wax on top.
Yeah.
We're gonna let this sit for 30 minutes,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna come back and finish the rest off.
Yeah.
Right. So
The soap is done now.
this, these bits are done. Right. So you need to push them out.
First, I'll do the purple.
Yeah. Well done.
No.
Okay, well done. And then do the other ones. Use all your muscles. Well done. Okay, do you want Mummy to do the rest?
Yeah.
Right, what you can do, so in the meantime we have to use this and we have to line the hearts up.
I'll line it first. I'll line it up. What's the next?
Okay, so you want to know what we're doing next?
No.
Okay.
Wait, I put it the wrong way round.
Great. Okay, so now what we're going to do,
Oh, there was a hand.
right, what you need to do is cut this one as well.
Am I really kind?
I think because we're going to put it on top. Oh God, this is really strong.
But the white one is not strong.
They're both really hard. Okay, done it. Right, again, we're going to cut them up in little pieces.
That's big.
Okay, can you cut these up in little pieces now? Yeah, push it up.
I will take this, and the last one.
Okay, Mummy's going to put it in the microwave now. Back in a second, okay?
Right there. Why do we need a pretender now?
Because we need to get the.
I need to wash my hands.
You get that? No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now do we mix it?
Okay, so now it says here. There you go. I think you need to.
Can we add a little bit more? That's good. What are we to put in there?
We're going to pour this on top of the love hearts.
Again? So we are doing the purple ones.
Okay.
Oh,
So-
so we are doing green as well.
So be careful. Get your spoon. Now get your spoon.
This spoon.
Yeah. And pour it in the holes where the love hearts are.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a lot.
I keep doing it. It's fine.
I put it on the heart.
Okay, maybe I'll help you.
Why are we putting it on the hearts?
There you go. Let this go hard,
Let me scoop this out as well.
and then we'll use it later. See? Upside down.